Welcome to the Mindful Dashboard. Let's begin softly. Each week is a fresh chapter, and with a gentle planning routine, you can begin it with clarity instead of pressure. Today we're creating a mindful weekly planning system in Notion, a space that helps you feel grounded, focused, and calm throughout the week. We'll start inside your personal hub, a single home for your reflections, your priorities, your tasks, and your weekly theme. Let's create a new page, your weekly review template. This will become the heart of your weekly planning routine, simple enough to return to, and flexible enough to hold any kind of week. First, a moment of reflection, not to judge yourself, but to understand your rhythm. Three gentle questions. What worked, what didn't, and what you're learning. Now let's set your weekly goals. 3 to 5 is the perfect number. Enough to guide your week, not enough to overwhelm it. work, growth, rest, personal. Your week organized with kindness. Next, your tasks. When they're filtered to show only what matters, the noise fades and decisions become lighter. Clarity means fewer decisions. Now choose your weekly big three, the 3 tasks that truly define your week. Everything else becomes optional. Let's give your week a theme, a quiet anchor, a reminder of how you want to feel, not just what you want to do. Presence, focus, softness, choose what resonates. When everything comes together, your reflection, your goals, your tasks, your big three, and your theme, the week feels clearer, lighter, more manageable. And this system isn't something you feel once and forget. It's a calm companion you return to throughout the week. If you want more KM Notion tutorials, feel free to like, subscribe, and tell me what system you want to build next. Thank you for being here.